Hello everyone, Scooter and I are welcoming you back to our Espresso Yoga Flow. So for this one, you might need to have blocks with you. If you have 2 blocks or more than 2 blocks, go and grab all of them. Or maybe a small stool, yeah, a really low one. Or grab cushions if you want to. So let's come not to the top of our mat, but low on our mat actually. Nice and wide with the legs. Don't be shy. Now, it's normal for the hips to for your hip bone to kind of be tilted forward, yeah, with the pubis forward and the sit bones sinking forward as well, yeah, if that makes sense. Essentially, sometimes the body comes into this position when we sit down, yeah. We've been trying to build really toned, strong muscles so that we can sit upright in this pose. However, a good trick is to bring your hands in fists, bring them behind you, and when you lift your hips up, tilt your hip ball back, yeah. So instead of tilting forward, I hope you can see the demonstration of my hands, tilt your sit bones back. So instead of this, push yourself up, tilt your hips towards the back, and lengthen out. It supports our body better. Anyway, that's just a really quick workshop for this wide-legged seated pose. Dorsi flex your ankles, so 90 degrees with the ankles, but flick your toes towards you, yeah? Just lift your sit bones one at a time first here, just rocking side to side. Good. You can even bend your knees and do it this way. This is good as well. From here, let's come into our flow. Now, please listen out, especially for this one, because you do have options for your depth, okay? Always choose the depth that you can sustain. Don't force yourself into poses that the body is not ready. And when you repeat this class, and of course, I want you to rewatch my classes, of course, but when you repeat your class, then it will make even more sense when I say choose your depth, because you'll be familiar with what's happening already. So nice and wide with the legs. Wave the spine up, close your eyes. Deep, full breath. This is a nice recharging flow. Back of your right hand on the inside of your right leg, or just mirror me, yeah? I'm not going to change my orientation anymore. Mirror me if you want to. Press your hand in, allow your spine to twist and turn. Free hand behind, not leaning on that arm, but rather pushing you up and come into an open belly twist. Free arm lifts up. Anchored hand slides closer to your foot, and we are in a lateral flexion. Keep adjusting the wideness of your legs if your joints will give you a little bit more. Top arm sweeps down, circle forward, so the hands are like in a plank position, hands flat or in claw hands. This is good too. Wave up, belly up. Chest up, head up, exhale forward and down. Don't come too deep yet. Don't hunch, don't lead with your head down and collapsing the sternum in, yeah? Nice and straight to the back and head lifted. 2 more. Inhale, waving up. Exhale, forward and down. Inhale, waving up. I'm bowing my head in that upward section of the wave. Exhale down, but I'm not leading with my head down in this downward, in this forward fold. Inhale, waving up. Back of your left hand inside of the left leg. Push it in. Open belly twist. Right arm up, or again, just mirror me if you want. lateral flexion. Sweep your hand down, circle forward, inhale, waving up. Just 2 more. Exhale down of these spinal waves. Inhale, waving up. I hope you feel that lengthening on the inside of your legs, your adductor muscles, waving down, and your hamstrings and calves as well. 1 more inhale, waving up. Right hand, right leg. Twist. Left arm up. Lateral flexion. But if you are mirroring me, it would be the right. Circle down. Just 1. Inhale, waving up. Inhale, exhale. Sorry, waving down. Inhale, waving back up, back of the hand on the inside of your leg. Open belly twist. Right arm up. If you're mirroring, this would be the left. Lateral flexion. Sweep down, circle forward. Now grab your support if you need to. Stack your blocks this way or at any height and any orientation that will support your upper body weight. If you have cushions, you're welcome to use cushions. Barring all of those, your hands can stack as well, or hands just on the mat like this. And this is what I'm going to show you. Wave the body up. Tilt from the hips. Don't collapse your sternum. Don't bow. Tilt forward. And you're welcome to stay here. Your arms and your hands are bracing you in this pose, supporting you. But if you want to try this next one, you're welcome to. Always pull it back, pare it back if it's a little too much. Slide your hands forward, forearms down on the mat. You're still not collapsing your sternum in and your head down. Yeah, we're still not doing that. The chest is still lifted, the head is still up. For those who want to, you are also welcome to extend your arms forward. Now belly down, chest down, and head down. And you are welcome to stay as long or as short a time as you want. I hope you can still hear me. I'm really low down on the mat. When coming up, especially from this low position, use your hands. Push yourself up nice and slow. Yeah, nice and slow. Cup your knees to bring your legs back into cobbler's pose. Hands on your shins. Lengthen the spine up. You're welcome to stay here in stillness for a few breaths. You're also welcome to have this awareness breathing with one hand on the heart space, one hand on your belly. We also do this standing up if you want to. Or just stay here in stillness for a bit. And when you're done, pop up from your mat and let's get on with our day. See you in the next video.